Hope you guys are doing amazing. Today I'm taking a look at this smartphone gimbal from Moza. Probably you guys have heard of this brand before. They do have some amazing camera gimbals. So let's get right into it and open the box, and then we'll take it out for a spin. Okay, so let's open this. So far, very nice packaging. Everything seems nicely packed in here. First thing I noticed is this USB Type-C cable, which I love seeing on any product because it just makes things much better to have that USB Type-C in there, which I love. And then another cable here, a micro USB to a 3.5 millimeter. Not sure for what that is. And we do have a nice case here as well. And down here, I think I know what this is. Yep, it's a mini tripod here. The build quality of this feels kind of nice actually. So I'm gonna just place that down there. And cleaning cloth. And lastly, the actual gimbal here. So one thing you notice here is foldable, which I love. First thing when I saw this, I was very looking forward to reviewing this because it's foldable. You can carry this anywhere you want. Taking a look at the front of the gimbal here, we do have the joystick, also the operation buttons as well. And in the middle of the buttons here, we do have the camera button to take a picture. And down here we have the battery indicator as well. One thing which I don't really like is the way it shows the battery level here. I'm not really able to see if it's full, halfway full, or anything like that because there's just like a blue light. It doesn't really indicate it that well. That's one of the downsides there. And on the side here, we do have the focus buttons here. Taking a look at the other side, power button, and also the USB Type-C charging port, which is amazing. And at the back, we do have the trigger as well. Pretty much to unfold this gimbal, just slide it here and rotate it and you're done. So my final thoughts of this smartphone gimbal, definitely the #1 feature which I love is it is foldable. You're able to bring this with you, much easier to carry it with you anywhere you go. And also we do have the joystick which is in the front here with many of the smartphone gimbals out there lacking of. So definitely a great feature to have in here. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did making it. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, or give it a thumbs up if you guys liked the video. If not, thumbs down. Leave any questions in the comments below. I'll try my best to answer it right away. I'll see you guys on the next review.